Hey guys, it's Renee. So today I wanted to share with you how to make your own rhinestone picker, and I'm going to show you two options. For this, you need a toothpick, and for the first one, the one that I always use is using some polymer clay. Now I use white polymer clay mainly because I used to make a lot of polymer clay figurines, and I would just make them white and just paint them after. The more you use it, the dirtier it's gonna get. So just keep that in mind. Feel free to use colored polymer clay. Now I'm also going to be using this toothpick holder. You don't need to use this one. This is just going to be making grabbing the toothpick a lot easier because it's basically like grabbing a pen. I'm gonna link it below in case you're interested, and just because I'm gonna be using this. And all you're gonna do with the polymer clay, you just grab a tiny little piece of that, place it on the pointy part of your toothpick, and this is option number one. You basically need something sticky for the rhinestone to just stick to. For option number two, I'm gonna be cutting the tip of my toothpick like this. This is what I'm left with. Then I'm gonna be using my hot glue gun, and I'm just gonna be adding a tiny bit of hot glue on top of my toothpick like this. You don't need to add that much, just about the size of rhinestone. And this is another option. Now this one looks prettier because it looks like a tiny crystal ball. It's more like aesthetically pleasing, I guess, because it's clear. Just keep in mind that because you're using hot glue, it's gonna be stickier when it's freshly applied. As time passes, it's not gonna be as sticky because it's hot glue. So this is gonna be make one for when you need your rhinestones. It's not gonna be ready to go anytime, but pretty useful still for those that don't have polymer clay. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you these two options. Hopefully any of these options work for you, and hopefully you find this helpful, handy, and you liked it. If so, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and share this. Feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later, and take care. Bye. And you just need a tiny bit, just about the size of a rhinestone. Okay, I'm British now.